Alright guys, so here we got a picnic roast. So all I did was I went ahead and I scored the top fat cap a little bit. I went a little too deep with some of the scores, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to inject it with some apple juice. Just kind of add a little flavor. Keep it nice and hydrated. Alright, so when it comes to pulled pork, I recommend, you go get a Boston butt over this picnic roast. But a picnic roast is still a good way to go. The bones are different. It seems like I get more meat from a butt. I'm just gonna look for all like the muscles and try to hit those up with the apple juice. That's it. But yeah, so I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. I'm gonna put this on as soon as I get home from work. I just don't have time to prep it tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw it in the fridge. So you see that pork butt the picnic shoulder really blew up on us right there with all that juice. All right, good stuff. All right, first things first, I'm gonna do a little SPG as a base coat. Just gonna throw it all over the place. Kind of just do a little rub, not too much of a rub, but a nice little rub. That's it. I'm not going to worry about the fat cap right now. All right. Now I got this other concoction here. Salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, onion, cayenne, some chili powder. And I'm doing celery seed. Never used celery seed before. It's my first time. So it's going to be an adventure for me. But I'm just going to go nice and heavy. Go nice and heavy whenever you're doing a pork roast like this. Pulled pork. I'm sorry. Boston butt, picnic shoulder. Go nice and heavy. Let's go this side. Alright, that's it. So I'm just going to throw it in the fridge, and when I come back home from work in the morning, I'm going to throw it in. I forgot how big this was. I believe it's a little over 7 pounds. A little over 7 pounds. So that's it. We're just gonna cook it in the morning. We're gonna put it on nice and low. It's gonna be a nice slow cook. Alright guys. Alright guys, so today we're cooking on the Smoky Mountain. So this is my setup here. Notice how I put all the coals on the outside. I got some apple wood. I got my chimney ready to go. It's blaring. So what I'm gonna do is dump it right in the middle. I'm gonna put the top on. And after that, I'm just going to let it come up to temp. Now, I'm going to leave all the sides open for now. And I'm going to gradually adjust it. We'll be back. Alright guys, so here we are. We're at 225. I just put this on 2 minutes ago. Before I put it on, I touched it up a little bit more seasoning. A little bit more rub. What I'm going to do is put this probe in. I'm just going to let it go. Now, I'll be checking on it within the hour just to make sure this is holding. There's no sharp increases or decreases. But after that hour, probably gonna start spritzing it, and that's it. All right, guys, we're 3 hours in. Let's see where that temp's at. That's beautiful, right where we want it. And you can see what that's saying. By the way, this one, I highly recommend it. You know, got an app, you know, you can use it on your phone. Alright, so this is where we're at. Alright guys, just to catch up to speed here. It's our temp right here, right now, 32. I just checked this a minute ago, so temp's a little lower. It's at 200. But around, it was 166. I went ahead and I wrapped this up. I'm using this tray. It's gonna collect all the juices. With those juices, I'm gonna integrate it back into the meat later on. So we're gonna let this go. I'm probably gonna let this go until about 205. Start probing it around there and see if it's good. See if I like it. All right, guys. So took this off at 205. It's been resting for 2 hours. I'm excited to see what it has become. All right. I can see it has some nice looking bark on it. So that's a plus. Now with this cut, you get this you get this weird bone. You know, it's not like a butt. You get this boom. Look at this thing. It's like a dinosaur bone there. I don't know. But anyway. Alright, so we'll go get this all prepped up, cut up, shredded rather. And we'll be back. Alright guys, got this all shredded up. And this is good. I had a piece already, but this is good. This has some nice bark on it. Has some great smoke flavor to it. Use that apple wood. That apple wood came through, and that, oh man, it is very good. Right now, fix myself a little sandwich. I like to call this the classic. Got a little slaw I threw together. Good stuff. Got a little meat here. Little meat going on. Oh man, this is some good stuff right there. Now it's totally up to you. I'm using this little Carolina style sauce here. Has a nice tang. It's very vinegary. I just put a little on, you know, not too much. Bam. Some pickles. You are in business. All right, let's try that out. This was a long cook, but it came out really, really good. So it definitely paid off. That apple wood is awesome. I think it's great with pork. The homemade rub, awesome. Got the sandwich here. Let's see if you guys can see this. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is a home run. I'm telling you right now, it's a home run. So good. So I got a nice big tray now. It's just gonna be for my wife, my daughter, and I. So there's gonna be some leftovers. So that's another good thing about making a lot of pulled pork. That's the leftovers. good to freeze and make some other dishes later on. But guys, thanks for stopping by. Do me a favor, check out some of my other videos. Click on some of the videos that you're gonna see up. Drop me some comments, likes, please, thumbs up. That's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, my supporters, guys. Have a good one. Enjoy barbecuing.